start with this one over here. What type of inch is this? It didn't even say what type of inch it is. What inch? Oh, it doesn't say. It doesn't say what inch it is.
Huh?
Maybe a 42 inch. Wow. Look at this bit. The engine's in there. Tank's right there.
Huh?
That belt's right there.
Oh, yeah.
The Troy belt. How easy it is. It's very easy.
That definitely not be too good.
See what type of belt diagram it's got. Oh, looks like the same thing. Looks like the same diagram. Battery in the back. Blades. And it's got this right here. And this. I don't know what it's for. Oh, I see it now. Oh, it's the brakes. Hey, Dad. This is the brakes. This is the brake. See, push that in. It locks it. Now I'm gonna move on to the baby.
Price on that's cheap. $2,789 for that big old thing.
Wait.
That's almost as much as them racks in there. That's what I was like.
Huh?
It's awfully cheap for a big old lawnmower like that.
Yeah, let's do. I'll do a review on it.
Huh?
Yeah, I'll do a review on it. Engine right in the back.
Huh?
Engine right in the back. Well, can't lift this thing. If there was a way. Oh, there is. Oh, battery right. Whoa. Yeah, oh, it is. Hey, Dad, how big is the gas tank? There's a battery right there, back there. Yeah, sit on it. Look at it. Oh, look at all its controls. It's big. This is for turtle. I don't know what the heck this is for. Throttle right here.
Huh?
Throttle right here.
Yeah.
This right here is something. Just can't get my hand. And right there, and there's the PTO button. Pull that out, and it turns on your blades. I wonder where the thing for the deck's at. Oh, this must be one.
How you turn them?
So, Dad, what's that one, Dad? What's that one for?
You want to turn it? Turn it this way. Turn it to your right.
So, which one is that? Which arm is that? Which arm is that, Dad?
This one will be down towards you and this one up. Push that one up. 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 This one down, that one up. Like that, and turn.
Turn it where?
To the right. Turn it around.
maybe undo it that way. I still don't know. Yeah, the big gas tank. I wonder what.